Advanced Excel. What is the duration of Advanced Excel course? Advanced Excel means having the capability to utilize spreadsheets, graphing, tables, computations, and automation successfully to refine large quantities of information relevant to service tasks. The method Excel is made use of relies on the needs as well as obligations of specific departments or work functions. Advanced Excel course enlightens students on the functions, sorts of monetary evaluation, as well as the sophisticated solutions needed to operate as an Excel power customer. This course program builds ability improvement, particularly for spreadsheet customers, to strengthen their basics in Excel to a sophisticated level. Excel course aids students in ending up being first-rate monetary experts in companies such as exclusive equity, financial investment, financial, equity research study, and corporate development, and financial preparation and analysis markets. Excel courses supply abilities that are available at a high degree of proficiency with the software program the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Advanced Excel program provides customers and specialists the lesser-known capabilities like pivot tables, lookup tables, pivot charts, and data validation, and also debugging features to make certain precision. Excel course enlightens trainees on the functions, sorts of monetary analysis, and the sophisticated solutions needed to work as an Excel power individual. About Advanced Excel certification. Advanced Excel courses supply insightful dashboards, VBA macros, and also SQL via a strong concentrate on hands-on understanding methods as well as in-depth study. This training course instills Excel skills, teaches effective information visualization tools, and also a Tableau to present evaluation. Excel certification programs hold no qualification requirements. However, interested candidates from different measurable histories, looking for breakthrough Excel training as well as trying to find job-oriented extents, have to get some knowledge on analytics and reporting abilities utilizing MS Excel, VBA, MS Access, SQL, and also Tableau. Significance of Advanced Excel certification in 2021. Excel is advanced software with loads of performance beneath its surface area, and also it can seem daunting to find out. However, Excel is not as challenging to find out as many people think. With the right training and technique, you can improve your Excel abilities and open yourself as much as even more work possibilities. Earning Advanced Excel accreditation can set you apart in the task market and shows employers as well as working with managers that you have the necessary skills to do the job. In some instances, having an Excel certification may even be a prerequisite to apply for the position. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for an Advanced Excel in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best certification exam preparation course. This training offered by Zabeel Institute stands out from other training in the market. The latest Advanced Excel exams result and pass percentage in Zabeel Institute is very high, which is increasing day by day under the constant support and guidance from the instructor. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for this certification course every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. For further information, please contact phone 00971 43974 WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/